Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the FLEXTAILGEAR. This is the Tiny Pump X, and it's been out for quite a while now, and it works really well. It operates as a inflator, deflator, and it also has a built-in light with 3 modes. So compression 60%, is very light, and it has extra nozzles, 5 of them. As you can see in here, design of how what the nozzles are and what you can use them for, and how you would use it. That's how you use it as a camping lantern, vacuum storage, and to inflate. So this will allow you, thanks to the 1300 milliampere batteries, will allow you to inflate 20 inflatables like this, 10 mattresses, and the light will be 40 lumens, 10 hours. So let's get into it. So you get a guide, a USB-C to USB-A for charging. You get a carrying bag, which looks really good. The pump itself, which is very tiny, unbelievable how small it is. And that's where you get your accessories. So yeah, let's put this aside and let's get into it. So yeah, you get all kind of accessories that are quite useful. Yeah. So let's have a look at the tiny pump. First, there's a USB-C charging port, and there's their logo in there. This is the lantern, and that's the power, that's your inflator, and that's the deflator. So this one is pushing, with this one is sucking out air, and it has a little nice handle for when you want to use it as a lantern. So just to show you, give you an idea, so you would put this like that in case you want to inflate, and if you want to deflate, it should normally go like this, or you use some of the accessories. I think this one it is, yeah. So you have to make sure you put it in properly. So you press and hold, and that's how powerful it is. And then if you press and hold, the light turns on, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 LEDs. That's the low mode, medium, and high, and then it turns off. So yeah, there you have it, guys. I think it's really nice because it's the smallest one they have. I think they have now Tiny Pump X2 or 2X, and that probably has some extra features, but I'm still very happy with this, and it's such an inexpensive device, and definitely worth having it in your backpack when you go camping, or just around the house. If you have some storage bags that you want to release the air from, that will work brilliantly as well. Thank you for watching.